Thank you for the opportunity to present, and today I will be discussing paraesophageal hernia repair in the elderly. This has long been a topic of interest due to questions of safety regarding surgical intervention for this patient population. Because of this, we wanted to investigate whether age truly is an independent risk factor for perioperative morbidity and mortality following laparoscopic paraesophageal hernia repair. I have nothing to disclose. We performed a single-center retrospective review of an IRB-approved database of 143 patients who underwent laparoscopic or robotic repair. Patients were stratified into 3 cohorts based on age. Group A included patients less than 65, Group B 65 to 80, and Group C over 80. Observed characteristics included age, sex, BMI, ASA score, comorbidities, symptoms, and elective versus non-elective repair. Measured postoperative outcomes include length of stay, 30-day morbidity and mortality, recurrence, and need for revisional operation secondary to recurrence. Postoperative complications were ranked using the Clavien-Dindo classification system. Tables 1 and 2 list our aforementioned patient characteristics. Significant findings include Group C having a higher mean Charlson comorbidity index score, a higher incidence of certain comorbidities, such as hypertension, ischemic heart disease, and cancer, as well as a higher rate of non-elective repair. Group A had a higher incidence of liver disease. Table 3 demonstrates outcomes between the 3 groups. There were no significant differences in mortality or major complications between the different age groups. Major complications were defined as a Clavien-Dindo score equal to or greater than 3 and included DVT, pneumothorax, and aspiration pneumonia. There was a significant difference in minor complication rates, with Group C having the highest percentage at 33%. The overall recurrence rate was 23%, with no difference between age groups. No operations were performed for recurrences, and 1 mortality was identified in Group B due to a cardiac arrest on post-op day 5. In conclusion, paraesophageal hernias remain an important clinical entity in the elderly population due to its prevalence, complexity of repair, and increased mortality and morbidity associated with emergent presentations. In our study, we were able to demonstrate that there were no significant differences in mortality or major complications between our elderly and younger patients, despite the elderly's higher CCI scores and comorbidity burden. A contributor to this may be our institution's perioperative screening protocol and patient selection, as we require cardiac clearance for patients over the age of 65 and a pulmonology consult for patients with respiratory illnesses. With the demonstrated safety of laparoscopic paraesophageal hernia repair and the associated increase in mortality and morbidity with non-elective and emergent presentations, I believe that age is truly just a number and should not dissuade surgical repair for the elderly. Thank you very much.